whatever trial you're experiencing now, na-experience natin sa ngayon po, no matter how severe it is, gaano man katindi, gaano man kabigat, first, una-una, surely your mind will not be deceived. Yung mind mo hindi madideceive into thinking that you are hopeless. Okay, wala nang pag-asa, hindi ka madideceive ng ganon. Why? Because the faithfulness of God will serve as a wall, a shield of your mind through His Word. Yung salita niya, magsisilbing wall, magsisilbing shield sa mind natin para hindi pumasok yung mga negative sa mind natin, yung mga nakakatakot sa mind natin, hindi papasok, may sangga yung katapatan ng Diyos sa kanyang salita. And your faith in the faithfulness of God through His Word will protect your mind against the fiery arrows of discouragement, anxiety, worry, and fears in life. Meron kang sangga, hindi papasok sa mind mo. Why? May shield ka, yung katapatan niya sa kanyang salita.